Hi, in this second sneak peek video I want to show you how you can use the Translate InDesign add-on to append your translated text as conditional text. In this document currently all the text is unconditional, it's in English, and I want to translate it to Spanish. So let's launch the Translate add-on. There's a new ID Extras menu and select Spanish from the many available languages that are made available by Google Translation. And now, with the translated text options, you can either replace the original text or append it as conditional text, and that's what I want to do this time. And we'll go ahead and translate the entire document with Google Translate. So it's sending it to Google Translate to get the translation, but maintaining all of the formatting intact. And that's done. Now, if we look at the conditional text panel, you see that the English text has now had a condition applied to it, and the translation into Spanish also. So if I hide the English source, what we get is the entire document in its Spanish version. And if I alt-click on English here, then it switches back to the English. So you've got the two languages in a single document at a click of a button, very quick. And obviously you can add a third language, so let's go ahead and do that. Maybe let's choose German and translate the entire document, again as conditional text. Translate it. There we go. So now you've got three languages here. And if I click on the German to show the German, so here we have the German version, the Spanish version, or the English version, with all your formatting intact. Coming very soon from idextras.com. Thanks for watching.